Auto trends welcome to start. The automotive world thrives on rarity, and when Audi decides to push its performance DNA into ultra-limited territory, enthusiasts know something special has arrived. The 2026 Audi RS3-R, produced in an exclusive run of just 125 units worldwide, is not merely a car, it's a statement of engineering obsession, motorsport heritage, and unapologetic performance. This is the kind of machine that exists for those who believe driving should stir emotion, ignite adrenaline, and leave no doubt about intent the moment it appears in your rearview mirror. From the first glance, the 3 Rupees R announces that it is different. The stance is lower, wider, and far more aggressive than the standard 3 Rupees, with aerodynamic elements that are not just visual drama but functional components shaped in the wind tunnel. Carbon fiber dominates the exterior details, from the sculpted front splitter to the flared side skirts and the bold rear diffuser that frames the oval RS exhaust outlets. Every surface seems designed to channel air with purpose, pressing the car harder into the asphalt as speeds rise. This isn't styling for attention, it's styling for domination. At the heart of the 2026 Audi 3 Rupees R lies the soul of Audi performance, the legendary 5-cylinder engine. This powerplant is more than an engine, it's a piece of Audi history refined for the modern era. In 3 Rupees R form, it has been sharpened, tuned, and unleashed to deliver an experience that feels raw yet precise. The distinctive offbeat firing order produces a sound that is instantly recognizable, a mechanical snarl that builds into a ferocious howl as the revs climb. It's the kind of soundtrack that sends shivers down your spine every time you press the throttle. Acceleration is savage. The 3 Rupees R doesn't ease into speed, it launches forward with explosive intent. The moment you engage launch control, the car squats, grips, and fires itself toward the horizon, delivering neck-snapping thrust that blurs scenery and silences passengers. Power is fed through Audi's advanced Quattro all-wheel drive system, recalibrated for a more rear-biased feel, giving the 3 Rupees R a playful edge while maintaining the relentless traction that Quattro is famous for. The result is confidence-inspiring speed in all conditions, whether on dry tarmac or unpredictable roads. But straight-line performance is only part of the 3 Rupees R story. This car has been engineered to thrive in corners, attacking bends with an aggression that defies its compact proportions. The chassis has been extensively reworked, with stiffer suspension components, adaptive dampers tuned for both road and track, and a wider track that enhances stability at high speeds. Steering response is razor-sharp, offering immediate feedback that connects the driver directly to the road. Every input feels precise, every correction instant, every corner an invitation to push harder. Braking performance matches the car's explosive pace. High-performance brakes, likely featuring lightweight materials and enhanced cooling, deliver relentless stopping power lap after lap. The pedal feel is firm and reassuring, allowing precise modulation when braking deep into corners. This is the kind of braking confidence that transforms fear into excitement, letting drivers explore the limits without hesitation. Step inside the 3 Rupees R, and the cabin reflects the car's focused mission. This is a cockpit designed around the driver, blending luxury with motorsport inspiration. Sport seats hug tightly, offering exceptional support during aggressive driving while remaining comfortable enough for daily use. Premium materials, including Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather, remind you that this is still an Audi, refined, meticulously crafted, and technologically advanced. Audi's digital interface elevates the experience further. The fully customizable virtual cockpit displays performance data, navigation, and driving information with crisp clarity. RS-specific graphics and modes transform the dashboard into a command center, reinforcing the sense that you're piloting something truly special. Every button, switch, and surface feels purposeful, reinforcing the 3 Rupees R's performance-first philosophy. What truly sets the 2026 Audi 3 Rupees R apart, however, is its exclusivity. With only 125 units produced, ownership becomes an entry into an elite circle. This isn't a car you casually see at traffic lights or in parking lots. It's a machine reserved for collectors, enthusiasts, and drivers who appreciate rarity as much as raw performance. Each 3 Rupees R carries a sense of occasion, a feeling that you're experiencing something most will only ever see in photos or videos. This exclusivity also elevates the 3 Rupees R's presence. Every arrival feels dramatic, every departure unforgettable. It commands attention without needing to shout, its aggressive design and unmistakable sound doing all the talking. For those who understand what it represents, the 3 Rupees R is a symbol of passion, proof that compact performance cars can still deliver supercar-level thrills. On the road, the 3-R manages a rare balancing act. Despite its extreme capabilities, it remains usable, composed, and surprisingly practical. Audi's engineering ensures that even in its most aggressive modes, the car never feels uncontrollable. Switch to a more relaxed setting, and the 3-R settles down, becoming a refined companion for everyday driving. This dual personality is part of what makes it so compelling. It's a weapon when you want it to be, and a comfortable performance sedan when you don't. The 3-R also stands as a testament to Audi's commitment to keeping driving excitement alive in an era increasingly dominated by electrification and automation. It celebrates mechanical engagement, sound, and feel, the elements that purists crave. Every drive feels intentional, every journey memorable. This isn't about numbers on paper alone, it's about emotion, connection, and the thrill of being behind the wheel. For collectors, the 3-R represents a future classic. Limited production, iconic engine configuration, and uncompromising performance create a formula that historically ages very well. As time passes, cars like this become more than machines, they become milestones in automotive history. Owning one is not just about driving, it's about preserving a piece of Audi's performance legacy. In the end, the 2026 Audi 3-R, one of 125, is not designed to appeal to everyone, and that's precisely the point. It exists for those who demand more than ordinary, who crave exclusivity without sacrificing performance, and who believe that the best cars should make your heart race before you even start the engine. It's rare, it's aggressive, and it's unforgettable, a compact powerhouse that proves greatness doesn't need to come in large packages.